Hi, this is Chris Smith, Shambles Guru on the interweb, at my house in Chiangmai, North Thailand, about an hour's flight north of Bangkok. And it's the 6th of December, day after Father's Day in Thailand, which was a public holiday yesterday. And the weather's beautiful. It's about 20 degrees C, it's low humidity. The sky is blue, there's a lovely breeze. For some strange reason, in my youth or earlier, I used to be a bit of a fanatical windsurfer. What a pity this rice field isn't water. It would be it's brilliant windsurfing weather. But it's not, it's a rice field. As you can see, part of it's been cut already. And if I scroll down here we go. There's a gang of 10 who are actually cutting it by hand. Normally, the rice is cut about this time of the year. There's only one harvest a year from this rice field. And in the past, we've had combine harvesters here, in the same way as you see them anywhere for wheat and barley and stuff like that. There are combine harvesters that come here, but some years, and this is one of them, they've decided to go for manual. Must be cheaper. Manual labour. How much are they getting paid a day? I would guess there's a minimum daily wage in rural areas out in the sticks. We're outside Chiang Mai, as you can imagine from what you see. And their wage is probably about somewhere between 10 to 15 US dollars for today. Interesting to see how long it takes them to do the whole field. So, time for harvesting. They'll leave it here for a few days. Actually, this weather's brilliant for drying it. It'll be dried out, and in a couple of days, another gang will be here. Actually, these are mainly women, and another gang will be here who are physically stronger men who will be here to tie it all up and thrash it by hand. And I'll do a mini video of that. Hard work. Could you do it? Could you bend down like this for 8 to 10 hours a day? I certainly couldn't. Can I zoom in? Let me see if I can zoom in. Here we go. Let's see what's going on here. Look at this. That's it, 3 minutes of rice.